There's no way out. There's just no way out. They're gonna get it. They're gonna get it.
Damn it, Deegan.
Sorry.
Hang on. You've got to expect this kind of thing in the priesthood.
I only left the seminary 2 weeks ago. If they find out I'll never get a decent parish, they'll send me off to some bloody kip. What are we gonna do?
Listen, Deegan. I'm going to make you a promise. One day, you and I, we're going to be in that new parish of yours, sipping iced tea on the lawn. And this will all be just a memory. Can you hold on to that thought? Can you? Can you do that for me? Good man.
I was messing about with one of these brows and a strap flew back and hit me in the eye. Just in my ankle as well.
Come on, let's get you up.
Oh, it's my stupid fault for messing with the brows. Go on ahead, I'll only slow you down.
Listen, we're a team. We're sticking together. Come on. There's the exit.
Thank God.
God, look at all those people.
They definitely see us coming out. Maybe if you actually buy some underpants, then it wouldn't look so strange.
They're women's underpants.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Attention lady shoppers, gifts for husbands like pipes and slippers are now
Come here.
available on the first floor.
Who's got the most boring voice?
What?
Of the lot of us, who's got the most boring voice?
That'll be me, Ted.
Listen to me.
I have an awful dreary, monotonous voice, God help me.
Yes. Listen.
Ted, were you asking for a dramatic, exciting voice?
No, he said boring. He wanted a boring voice.
In that case, you must excuse me for my impetuous interruption.
Listen, this is what we're going to do.
What's going on?
I think Ted has a plan.
No, I mean in general.
I can't find our way out of the laundry section.
Ladies and gentlemen, could you please bring your purchases to the checkout as the store is about to close? Hurry up. Come on. Hurry up, will you?
Not that way, for feck's sake, the other way.